the 50th year of committed communications. This is ABS-CBN.
Sa pamilyang Pilipino, sa sambayanan, at sa buong mundo. This is GMA.
Covering Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao via satellite. This is RPN.
Your friendly network.